Once you and your team determine the general terms of the problem you are pursuing, you have to gather data on that problem. So how do you do that? Well, in your current work, how do you learn about the problems which require solutions? If you're anything like me, I bet you ask a lot of questions. I ask questions of the people involved, of trusted sources that I think might have insight. I ask Google or Bing by conducting web searches, and I might consult the experts on the topic by reviewing some trade magazines and scholarly articles. I might even consult one of my professors. These are all different ways to gather data. An essential element of data gathering for action learning and action research, or any kind of research or problem solving for that matter, is to plan your data gathering and be systematic in executing it. Planning helps assure you've tended to all of the relevant sources of data, and it also aids in triangulation later. So, what sources of data might you include in your group proposal? Well, this is a participatory model, so you want to be certain to consult all relevant stakeholders. Now, all stakeholders doesn't necessarily mean each and every stakeholder. So depending on the size of your population, perhaps you only consult a sample of each distinct group within your population. In this case, each group is represented, though each member of each group does not necessarily participate. Chapter 4 outlines many methods for data collecting, including the sampling that I just mentioned. Also, there are countless books, theses, and articles on the many methods for data collection. Your job is to consider how you would go about collecting data for your proposed problem. This will include a literature review, which you started working on in Module 4 and will be included in your proposal. The articles you read on your topic will likely inform your data collection methods, giving you ideas for how you might search out information on your topic. So, you gather all of this information. You talk to people, observe department meetings, read countless policies and procedures, and meeting minutes. And to what end do we gather all of this data? As you read in the opening of this week's module, you look to extend your understanding, to learn more about the problem from the inside, from perspectives other than your own. The look stage prepares you to think about the problem. During the think stage, we interpret and analyze the data that you've collected. But think is next week, so let's go to the next slide and review our assignments for this week.